I ain't worried about them. I ain't worried about a thing now. I got some liquor in my cup.
Why don't make us who we are? So I'll dream until I make it real, and all I see is.
Hello guys, welcome back. And if you're new here, my name is Kenga, and if you're returning back, karibu sana, karibu sana. And today we're going to make a makeup video, and this is a simple makeup video, like everyday makeup. So without talking too much and rambling, let's begin. First, I'm going to moisturize my skin. Let me show you what I'll use to moisturize. I'm thinking of using this snail repairing cream, or I just use this simple, like this is Softy company. There's always carrot, papaya, something like that. It goes for 80 Kenya shillings, which I believe it's $0.8, and this one went for $2, but I'll use this because this is good. I'll just moisturize my skin before I start applying all those makeup. So just simple moisturizing. I like to moisturize my skin mostly under the eyes, because this is the place which tends to be dry and to be damaged by the sun. By the way, you're going out, tunatoka nje kwa jua and all. As you know, Mombasa, it's very hot. So I'm just going to apply my primer first. This is the primer I'm using, Kenga, and the primer is just to make my skin. Just going to do it kienyeji, to make my skin just make the makeup stay longer and the makeup to look more natural. Yeah, after applying my primer, I'm going to go with concealer. This is Sleek. I was searching for my LA. Let's use this under the eyes. I noticed that these concealers, if they have stayed for so long without you using them, you have to shake them a little bit so that when you press them, they don't bring down just water, because all the concentrated stuff is there. I just apply this. I don't want to do a heavy makeup. Just the concealer to stay there while I'm making my eyebrows. So I don't have mirror. I'm just going to draw my eyebrows. Don't worry even if I mess, because I will clean this up with concealer. That's why I like to make those permanent eyebrows with those hair dye. If you haven't watched that video of me making my permanent eyebrows, which can stay up to 3 weeks longer, that's not microblading, guys. Just it's a dye you apply and then it stays on you like 3 weeks. So this hair, I made them so bold, but it's okay. Wow, this is so black. I wish I used brown. Too black. But the makeup will turn out fine, you'll see. That's all I'm going to do. I'm done with the concealer. I may as well put it away. And then now I'm going to go with sorry, my voice is. Now I'm going to go with the foundation. I don't know if to go with the LA Girl or the LA Girl. These things you have to shake. Like this one is not original, this one is original. These things you have to shake. Or I can go with this Maybelline. This Maybelline. And this one is original. I would highly recommend, if you're living in a place where it's like Mombasa, very hot, you can use this. This is matte foundation. It's so good for the hot weather. It doesn't melt down. It doesn't look like this one. These ones are for the cold places, kama vile Nairobi, cold places. But in Mombasa, please, watu wa Mombasa, if you can find a matte foundation, that would be perfect for this weather. But I'm thinking, let me show you guys. It looks like this, and you can use the sponge I've sprayed my sponge with water already, and just it doesn't even show. It's so natural, as natural as possible. I like this foundation. Let's use this one. So this one is Maybelline, the matte one. So this is this LA Girl, and this one is Maybelline. I think, I don't know, what do you think, guys? I should go with Maybelline. It's more smoother. Look at this. You can compare this with this, you know. So I don't know. Okay, let's go with this. It's almost done, almost finished, guys. This thing is finished. Let's finish it all. I'm going to go with this and dab so that we can go to our, this is simple makeup. I don't know if we should do the shadows, but we'll see. These colors are so neutral. They're so neutral and so like, you see, so natural. Now the technique of this makeup, even if you're starting up, for beginners this makeup, the technique of the eyeshadows is just blending up, guys. Just make sure you blend it up. If you don't blend it up, it will look like clown. But if you do blend it up, it really comes out nicely. And know your colors too. Don't just blend colors, just blending for the matter of blending. Just know your colors. If you want to go bold, know your colors, which colors you're going bold with. I'm not talking as a makeup expert, but just the way I always do makeup, you know. So yeah, subscribe if you haven't, and yeah, this makeup is as natural as it can be. That's how we're going to make it, as natural as possible. And look how simple it is. We're just remaining with the lips. So lips and contouring, we're going to contour. So contouring, we'll be using this LA. I have so much products for LA Girl, and it looks like this. These are blushes, these are the bronzer, and this is the highlighter. And I always start with the bronzer. I have this brush. It looks like angled like that. I have this brush. I like it. It's good for contouring. You just have that angle ready, so all you have to do is that's contouring. Like to brush it off a little, blending it up the remaining parts so that I don't look like a painted picture. Okay, that's the bronzer part. Not too much, not too little, but if I look like this, you can see the difference. You see the darker part here and here. So now let's go to let's finish up the powdering, and we finish with the highlighter and eyelashes. So I'm just going to use this Kiss Beauty. This is powder. The other one which I baked with this one, the black opal, because it's brighter, and this one is a little darker. So this part, eye part, always with the concealer and everything, it's good, it looks brighter. So now I'm just going to powder a little bit of powder just to settle the foundation and everything. And it looks as simple as possible as it can, not overdone. And you can wear this as an everyday look, and it can be also your makeup beginning process if you want to just to know a little bit of makeup. This can be your makeup process to start your makeup and do your everyday look. Don't forget your necks when you do your makeup. Okay, so I've powdered everywhere. Kila mahali kuna powder. To go with our lashes, I guess we're going to go with this. You can go and watch my videos for these lashes, how to apply them easily using your hands. So it's super easy. Let me take my glue. Use this mark. All these products I got them here locally actually. The only thing which is original is the Maybelline foundation and the LA concealer. So here my glue, and it's not a must this part you use you fix. It's not a must you fix your eyelashes. You can just do your mascara and go. Let me put glue on this, then I put mascara on, then you see guys. So if you want to know how to put your eyelashes, there's a video there. Actually there are two videos how to put your false lashes on. Easy, super easy and quick, fast, very fast. You just a tap of a finger, it's on, and you go. I'm going to do this quick because this is a quick fix makeup. Easy. And get ready with me makeup. Easy and super and go. You just faster and you leave. So after putting this on, I'm going to leave them for some few seconds so that the glue can be sticky. You can go watch full video of this. There, it's there in my videos. So now I'm going to go with my mascara, and the mascara is like this 3D, I don't know, 5D, whatever, beauty mode, I don't know which company is this. So I'm going just to look down and brush my eyelashes. Like that. This is a quick, easy makeup, guys. So easy and so fast to do, and you look good and you just get ready and you go on. Everyday makeup can be a simple makeup tutorial or get ready makeup, or you're not a makeup person but you want to have that can look a makeup look like you've done makeup. You can do this. It's super easy. And I'm going to go with this gloss. This gloss is very good. I don't know where I got it. It's called Magic Gloss. It's really magic. You just apply against the color and it does it kind of fast. I don't think I'll be wearing any lipstick. Just this will do. Because this is a simple makeup. video.
Going to go with this eye pencil. It's I don't know, maroonish and purplish at the same time. This lash is, see here, doesn't want to settle, but it will do. So that's our finished look somehow. What is remaining is eye blush and the highlighter. I always like to use this for highlighting. This, I use this for blush. I like just a little bit of blush, not a lot. Goes a long way. And we're done. Our makeup, guys, is done. Have to blend. Now what we need is our hair. We're going to put our hair, then put our clothes on, then come and review this simple makeup. The eyelashes are optional. It's not a must to do eyelash, but if you want, you can. So let's go and put our wig on and our clothes.
So yeah, I'm back, guys, with the wig on and with some clothes on. Yeah, a dress on. Sorry, the camera checked. So this is how the makeup is. This is how just the makeup is. You can just review it down in the comment section below, how you think it turned out, the way I started and how it is. Tell me if you can't go. Even this camera is not doing justice at all to this makeup. I said, let me just do this video of getting ready with me, so that how I live like this. If you can look at this, guys, tell me this is not a simple makeup. This is a simple makeup which you can go out with during the day, daytime makeup. You can just go lunch with your girls, you can go to work like this. This is not too much makeup. If you don't like the lipstick, you can just do a nude lips or a little bit of it. But that gloss, this gloss, I didn't apply any lipstick. It's just this gloss and the eye pencil, which was color purplish, and it just did the color. This did the color. It's called Magic Gloss. I don't know where. My friend gave it to me. I appreciate it. Thank you. And lips, you can do any type of or any color of lipstick you want. But this is how you can just do your simple makeup and turn it around to be good. And yeah, comment down below, guys, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. And I make hair also wigs. Like this wig, I made it to a bob. This weave, this was a weave without closure. It doesn't have any closure, guys. I just did the middle part of it. I don't know if the camera will focus on that, but if it has, just check it around, look at it. It's a nice bob actually. And if you want a video too of how I made this hair, you can comment down below. Please do comment down below. And please don't you guys, you're watching, I appreciate it so much, but you're not liking. Like, is it the content, is it not good? You guys are just too busy, you watch, then you go, you move on to another video. Please do like, you know, when you like, YouTube pushes my videos to other people too. So please do like if you have watched this video till the end, and comment down below your opinion about this makeup, how it is, how it turned out. And yeah, see you in my next video, guys. Let me hop out and start my day. Life has been life has not been that friendly, but yes, ni life, utafanya aje, you push it through. Yeah, like, yeah, we're going to have a sit down video, guys. I'll do makeup sit down video and I talk it all to you guys. So yeah, thank you watching up to this time, and bye. See you in my next video, guys.
I ain't worried about them. I ain't worried about a thing now. I got some liquor in my cup.